2. Hi folks, how's everyone doing? Yeah, please do put the title and the band in the comment below, just for fun. Today, I will show you how to do mixing drink, and the beverage is White Russian. Check it out. Next, we are going to make White Russian. For White Russian, we will need vodka, kahlua, and fresh milk. For the equipment, we need jet of ice, tail shaker, strainer, jigger, and highball glass. First step, we will need to put the ice inside the shaker. Grab enough ice. You can pour the vodka for 1 ounce. One ounce as well for the kahlua. You will need fresh milk. You will need enough milk to fill the shaker, about almost half. You close the lid. Next, you will shake the shaker. You open the lid. Put the strainer on the top. Get the highball glass and start pouring. And you can fill also with the ice left on the shaker. Hi, so how's everyone after seeing the video? Please write a comment so I can see the feedback. Hopefully I can improve my video for the next ones. Take care.